Second Harvest Food Bank of North Carolina in the Northwest says 1 in 6 people here are food insecure. Low wages, fixed incomes, not keeping up with the rising cost of living, and poverty are challenges impacting economic stability. Many of you have already helped out, taking part in the Empty Bowls event. But if you missed out today, W4 News 2's Tanya Rivera says there are other ways to help those in need.
There are always ways to help, right? The Empty Bowls t-shirt, what really caught my attention was their mantra that I really enjoy. And it says, everyone deserves to eat. It's really hard to argue with that, right? Food is a basic, and we wouldn't want any of our friends or family to deal without it. So here are 2 different ways that you can help Second Harvest Food Bank. All right, first one, this one is kind of like heavy lifting, okay? Most of us have had the experience of packing boxes and moving. A 5-bedroom house would equal about 7.5 tons of stuff. I'm giving you context here because that sounds exhausting, right? Because I want you to think that Second Harvest Food Bank moves 40 tons of food every day. Second Harvest Food Bank of Northwest North Carolina moves that through their food warehouses daily. Now, you can sign up to help pack up those warehouses and get them to those local food pantries that need it. You can do it during the week. You can do it during a Saturday. You can do it with a whole bunch of friends. Pretty easy to do. Now, if you're like, I'm not in for the heavy lifting, hey, no problem. You know what? $1 is equal to 7 meals when you donate that dollar to Second Harvest Food Bank. So what I've done is I've put a link in the donation page for the Second Harvest Food Bank. Whether you give $5 or whether you give $50, it is going to be multiplied, and it's going to help families in our area.
Such an important cause. You know, if you're someone struggling to afford food, the State Department of Health and Human Services, they want you to know about other programs out there for you.
We're recommending folks go to our website, www.ncdhhs.gov/food resources, for a list of additional programs and supports that people might be eligible for. Second, we are encouraging families, particularly those with young children, to consider and see if they might be eligible for the WIC program. So that is for women, infants, and children under 5, and it supports women who are pregnant or breastfeeding or have a child under 5. And folks can learn more about the WIC program at www.ncdhhs.gov/ncwic. And then finally, we also know every community has a unique landscape of organizations and community-based groups and faith groups that might be helping provide food resources to those in need. And so we recommend folks reach out to NC211 by dialing the number 211 or going to the website www.nc211.org to learn about community resources that might be in their county or in their city or town.